Modern laptops are built in advanced electronics factories using precise technology. The process begins with many electronic components. These parts are delivered to different assembly areas. The motherboard is the heart of every laptop. Tiny electronic components are installed with extreme precision. Robots quickly place thousands of components. Soldering machines secure the electronic connections. Each motherboard is inspected for quality. Cooling systems help control laptop temperature. Powerful processors are added to power the laptop. The motherboard is installed inside the laptop body. Rechargeable batteries provide portable power. Internal cables connect all components together.
The display screen is mounted onto the laptop body.
Keyboards and touchpads allow users to control the laptop. Display cables transmit video signals to the screen. Okay, connections are secure. Good. Now for the hinges. Hinges allow the laptop to open and close smoothly. Internal speakers provide sound output. Next, we'll connect the amplifiers.
Got it. Cabling is ready.
The laptop body is fully assembled.
Each laptop is visually inspected.
Function tests ensure everything works properly.
Screen test passed. Colors are rendering correctly.
Good. Proceeding to keyboard input test.
Input is responsive. Test complete.
Running advanced tests, checking speed and stability.
Results are good. Performance is stable.
Advanced test checks speed and stability. The finished laptops are packaged carefully. Finally, the laptops are shipped to customers around the world.